Oh, is it just recording the file? I think I started streaming before I switched the recording settings. Okay, I'm gonna change the stream title to testing hit gauge. Oh, the camera's broken again. Look at that. Look at what the camera looks like. And now watch this. Properties. Oh, it's fixed. I don't know why opening the properties window fixes it, but like it works every time. So, woo! Okay, let's open up the terminal. Go to Documents, Game, Make, Dev. It works. Okay, so it was a kernel update or whatever that broke the game or the publisher. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna test my updates. Also, I want to start the virtual machine again. Of course, the game is broken. I changed a bunch of code. Boom, boom, boom. Booting virtual machine. Looking glass. Wait for that to connect. 60 FPS hand cam. Oh my god! He's so good at the game! Oh, there it is. All right. I don't remember. Panic basket. It looks like. Is that a Twitch remote? Virtual box. A little bit. This is Looking Glass. It's different than VirtualBox, but okay. No, this is a collection of software that I've set up. Looking Glass being the thing that's viewing the virtual machine. So it's QEMU, as you can see here, controlled by libvirt, which is this GUI. Running a GPU pass-through virtual machine, which is really hard to set up. Took me like 2 full days of setup. And then captured with Looking Glass, which is a completely different piece of software that like captures the desktop and then sends it to shared memory and then shares that or like reads that on the host machine. Okay, where's the thing I was gonna do? This. Okay, last one. Yes. This. Start. All right, we're back to churning. The heck? Yeah, so it's pretty neat. This is my GPU pass-through virtual machine. So it's using 83% of my GPU. And what it's doing is it's doing AI video interpolation. It's like just less than real time. It's fun stuff. All right, where's the music? Bring it back. Okay, is it going to break again? Yeah, too bad. Okay, so lesson learned. I just don't change it off of the default, and then it'll work, maybe. Maybe. what if I don't know. You travel to Europe, USA, and maybe, but maybe not Mexico. Yeah, I've been to all those places. I went to Europe for an entire year. My mom planned the trip for 4 years, and they saved up money, and then she took the whole family to Europe, as in 4 of us. I was in 2010. Just amazing, right? So we went all over Europe. Some places we stayed a day, some places we stayed a month. Talking in alien language. I liked learning a few words everywhere I went. Kind of cool. Dankeschön. All right, so let's look at the error. Error says, I'm going to go to the bathroom actually. I'll be right back. What is that? Couldn't be. Couldn't be me. Water bottle. A bottle of water. Lots of guttural stops. Nil with world. Simulation 77. Nil with world. Let's go 77. Where did my code go? Oh, right. I restarted my computer. Simulation 77. This is such short code, man. 77 says self.timers.world. Run start. Who's calling this function? Somebody from somewhere. Is that a short code? It's 200 lines of code. Like, the physics is like 300 lines of code. The gauge, just the gauges is like 400 lines of code. The game mechanics is 1,200 lines of code. It's crazy short. The simulation control, like I could probably get rid of a bunch of this as well. Tiny, tiny little baby code. 20 times larger than the code I did for brick changing colors. I mean, it's a physics engine. Obviously, it's going to be 20 times bigger than your brick changing colors. Brick changing colors, physics engine. Brick changing colors, physics engine. Wow. How do I do this? Buh. It's trying to do a run start. Run start. What? Who's... Oh, yeah. So it's calling from here. Reset world. I don't even need it. I'm not even using it. Oh, I see. Okay, well, delete for now. Bye. Great. All right. Oh, I should probably fix the other errors. Time to next nil time. Simulation director 55. Simulation director line 55. Nil. The physics is nil. Man, that's nil, man. You're right. That's nil right there, man. That's right there. It's nil. Bah. Well, I published the code, so let's load it up again. What's the other one? Is it the same error? Yeah, it's just the same one. Same one again. Okay. Nil with world. We'll figure that out when it comes. Player move called. Who's calling player move? What do we got? Ooh, game mechanics. 998 and 1090. Game mechanics. Bruh. Okay. But submit run event, enter zone. Is that what what do you call in, what do you mean call nil value? Do we not have zones in this house? Submit run event. You're trolling. Call a nil value. Game mechanics dot zones enter. I'm pretty sure that exists. Game mechanics attach zones. Game mechanics. Okay, it's got to be at the bottom. Attach zones. Wow! Right there. Why is this not a class? Oh, I guess I'm like doing weird things to change it. How will the thing that predicts where you're going to fall on update? I'm working on that right now. I'm changing it so that it uses an actual real simulation, and it just basically runs the simulation forward a bit. I'm just going to see what the performance is like. I think it's going to lag because it's going to run like 2 seconds of simulation forward, which is a lot of ticks. That's 200 ticks in one frame. So probably it'll work, but it'll probably lag. But it'll be cool. I want to see it. Why is that nil? You're trolling. That's not nil. You're trolling. That ain't nil. I've seen nil, and that's not it. Do I make the zones with the game mechanics? I could do that. The game mechanics creates its own zones. That makes a lot of sense. Zones. Wow. Because, like, it's just here. And then I can just, like, chug it right here. Chug it. Zones. Just be like, yeah, game mechanics. I got the zones. Yep. And then instead of attached zones, it's literally just in the game mechanics. I do just self.game mechanics.zones clear. And that's like a little bit prettier, maybe. Should I just return it? Ah, return it. That's funny. I'm a funny guy. Inside of a simulation. And I go like game mechanics constructor. Instead of attached zones, it's just zones. But so zones is actually part of the state. Zones equals zones. Just like that. Yeah. Zones are actually a runtime object. No zones in the simulation constructor. And also game mechanics. Simulation. It knows who is daddy. Okay, new game mechanics. Is that the only place it's called? Should be. Oh, I should change this to class, eh? Oh, it's actually not a class. Maybe I'll change it to class when it is a class. So I did change physics into a class. Looks like I'm not passing anything out. So simulation, physics class, and then physics class, create no physics. Where do we create no physics? Right here. Physics class. And then game mechanics. Yes, sir. Okay. I did some stuff. This is not necessary anymore. Not needed. This is not needed. Is the camera part of the game mechanics too? Kind of. Little tiny bit. Camera code. Camera code. What am I? Okay, I got the advanced camera code here. Camera move to. And I got the camera input tracker. Submit camera event is on the simulation. Rap. How did you feel being in Mexico? It was a long time ago. How did I feel? That's not really who I am. I don't really care how I feel. So I don't take note. I don't know how to answer that. That's not like information that I track. Ugh. It's crazy how this is getting smaller. Just like working on it. All right, what is the next error? They're trolling. They're trolling me. Where's the zones? What do you mean the zones don't exist? You're trolling. Attempt to index nil with physics. A game mechanics 1133. And then nil with time. Yeah. Game mechanics 1133. 1133. Nil with physics. Wait, what? That is not nil. You are trolling me. Simulation. New simulate. Oh! I misspelled it. You are trolling me. Fuff. That's an old reference. Did you just see that video? Nail with gravity. You're trolling again. Same line of code, but different error. I'm getting trolled. Van Sli. L. Set gravity. That is trolling me. It's trolling me right here. Wait, what? Set gravity? When is it doing set gravity? In set style? You're trolling. Who? What? Huh? Set gravity. Simulation control. Set gravity. Who's doing this? Who did this? It's only right here. Attach physics? What? Wait, what? Attach physics? That's only called in here. I see. It's because the reference doesn't exist yet. Oh, jeez. It's a circular reference. It's trying to write it by creating this thing, but then write it again, but it just doesn't work because it's not a reference yet. How annoying. You're trolling. I'm kind of surprised that it's all the way up to this error. How to get a Roblox Studio shirt. Get your friend who has 150 million or whatever lifetime, 50 million lifetime Robux earned. Get them to send it to you. Attempt to call a nil value. Run events line 40 and no other errors can be seen. Run events 40. That's very unexpected. I did not expect that. Oh. I guess I did remove that. Run data timer equals nil, I guess. Remove timer. Oh, I made it nil. I guess that is what I wanted, so. Okay, so now the errors don't exist, but it also doesn't work. Fantastic. You're trolling. Okay, maybe it's the simulation director error. 55, attempted next nil with time. Yeah. It's supposed to just be a like little tiny little guy. Can we just like put off running the simulation director until there's a map info? So like when you try to run it, if you go like if self.active simulation.physics, then run. Ooh, actually both. Just kind of like let things build up on the timeline until we're ready to run. Wait, what? It's generate. Oh, that's the set map info. Oh, I see. Okay. Just like silently fail running it until it's ready. And the map info is there. Okay, so now all the errors are gone, but it still doesn't work. When you edit too much code? Could not find module named playback manager. Bot commands, what? But anti-tamper. Spectate. Bot playback control. Oh, replication model. Oh, snap. A replication model in bot playback control. I did just delete that. Bot playback control. I'm glad I checked the server. All right, replication model. Oh, this whole script is like out of date. It was kind of cool how I used the timer member function system to loop the bots. It's pretty cool. Do you know has finger strap? Bop. Yeah, but like it's because there's a dead zone in terms of like the strafe acceleration. There's like a dead zone. It's like when you turn your camera. It kind of is like that. Like if my mouse is the velocity of your player, then like turning your camera makes the velocity move, but like there's a dead zone where the velocity is not changing as you're turning your camera because it's like pushing it side to side. Internally, that's how the gain works. Is it's a vector calculation that turns a vector by extending the velocity in the direction of the control direction up to a certain dot product value. So it's vectors. If you don't know vectors, it's fine, but like that's basically what it's doing. So the idea behind it is to quickly get back to where it is. How do you do it simply? You basically are trying to make the camera turn fast for a split second. So by it also helps your strafe edges. You can't really see the mouse too well, but like it's like it's just a strategy to try to minimize the dead zone and maximize the sharpness of the edges of your strafe. It's a very high level technique, and unless your strafes are godlike, you probably shouldn't even try. Like it won't really be worth it to practice that if your strafes are not godlike already. Okay, so we've got the replication model here, which, yeah, playback just doesn't exist. I'll keep this code around maybe. I don't know. Wow. I think it just failed to load some key server module, and that's why it didn't load the game properly. What program do you use to program? Sublime Text. Hey! Oh, wow, it actually works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It looks kind of like it's like vibrating. Something not right. Is there errors? No. Okay. There will be in a second. Hit. Hey! Hey! Let's go. Okay. Simulation 107, attempted next null of the world. Simulation 38, attempted next null with advanced 2 time. 107 and 38. Your hand looks like a poorly animated hand. Oh. Yeah, with just like 2 keyframes and tweens. All right, simulation line. Line what? What did you say? 38 and 107. Yeah. And line 38. Advanced 2 time. Camera input tracker. Okay, so camera input tracker does actually need to be made on the output timeline. I want to disable simulation output. I just want to run it. I don't care if it's writing to timelines. Ima. Okay, ooh ah. Sim to world. Okay, I use that function like a lot actually. Game mechanics, sim to world. Wow. So, oh. Can I still make the timers? I think I can, right? I think I can do that. Wow. Yeah, no, I should be able to just like have the timers exist. No problem. It's no problem. So instead of creating the new timers, right. So before what I did with the timers and why I created new time. Ooh, ah. Okay, so it actually, yeah. So it was because I was writing to timelines that were inside the timers, and by creating a new timer, I create a new timeline, and it has a different ID, and so the events explicitly do not go to the old timer. But now timelines have their own IDs, so I can just create the timers at boot time. On God. And then they exist. Okay, why would it like jump back and forth? Wait, is it? You know, it's still doing it. I think. Wait, is it? Oh my god, it's really doing it badly. Wait. Oh, is it just VSync? No, it's the camera motion. Okay, so the position interpolation is fine, but the camera motion somehow is messed up. Can't remember what I changed. Okay, so I need to do it on the simulation construction. Creates the simulation timers on construction. Generate timers is not actually generate timers. Wow. Why is there so many generate timers? It's actually generate timelines. Wow. Okay, so don't need this, but do need this. Wow. What do you mean, are the bots in work? You think I'm going to make bots work in 20 minutes? Don't sit here telling me what to do. Verification. Okay, I need to create the simulation indexer. That's not a real thing anymore. Player root. Ah, yes. Fake root. I'm just going to ignore it. Okay, replace timelines. Okay, so the camera input tracker doesn't exist because there's no camera input to track. It's supposed to just keep going. How good do you think destruction of environments in Roblox can get? Would you ever consider making a fragmentation engine? I don't think so. I basically want to switch off Roblox as fast as I can. Just make money from Death Run and then switch to making my own game engine as fast as possible. Okay, so it's still going to run into the same error. But it won't happen on Sim to World. Combat surf with destructible environments. Ooh. That sounds like a lot of work. Alright, well, I also could... Uh-oh. Did I break the server as well? What do you mean could not find module named replication model? Oh. True. Okay. It's the client this time, right? Yeah. Okay, so we're attempting to index nil with time. Simulation timer is 12. Okay, it's probably because it's creating it with no arg. Yeah, there we go. Simulation director timelines class. It sucks. It sucks. I broke something. No. So it's all... What did I break? I don't have Git. I didn't get deposit my changes, man. Oh, I can't even bisect it. I'm just gonna have to find it. Wow. Okay, it was this like change. So, all right. Now I go like hit. And then it goes, there is no command that matches hit. Error engages. Requested module experienced an error while loading. Tell me the error, you doof. The requested module experienced an error while... Well, what's the error then? Sheesh. Okay, well, that... Okay, well... Simulation. Timer parent. Simulation timers class. Do we need timer parents? Simulation timers class. Yes, that will generate an error. Wow. Simulation timers class. Please. There it is. And then... yes. Okay, so if troot, then gotta check. So default time is 0, so it'll do that anyway. Stop asking me about bots. I'm working, okay? It's not about you. I'm making a game. Awesome. Error spam. Please. Advance to time. Yes. Okay, so it's trying to track an input timeline but it doesn't need to. Because it's not moving. There's no such thing as the camera input tracker. I mean, advanced camera. It's right here. Oh, how did it survive posting to the camera timeline? How is there... Oh, okay, no, it's not that one then. It's this one, submit output. Okay, so it only needs to do this if there is an output to submit to. So timelines. I guess I can do like this. Submit input. There's no such thing, but it won't get called, so it shouldn't matter. Submit camera event. Should be able to bypass the timelines. I guess I can just still call the function because it sets the camera time. but doesn't really need to. Submit sound. There's no such need. If self.timelines. Sorry, I kind of snapped on you. The bots, it's like directly I am working towards it, but it's not because you want to play with bots. It's because I'm trying to make a game, okay? What? Oh my god. Set time. It's supposed to be independent. Best debugging technique is just the lean back technique. All right, hit. Oh! Did you see it? I saw it. Where's the errors? I don't see the errors. Yo! No way, bro. Ayo! 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 Is that the hit gauge right there? Oh my god, it's so accurate too. Look! Look! It knew! It knew! It knows everything! Look! It knows! It knows everything! How fast is this? It's not lagging. Alright, okay. What happens if I do this? Okay, so it doesn't know about wormholes because I replaced the collision detection. Oh my god, bro. Okay, so it doesn't know about ladders either, so it thinks I'm gonna fall. Alright, what if I'm surfing? Ah, man, it doesn't know about surfs. I wanted to make it know about surfs. So it's supposed to be smooth, but the camera is jerky for some reason. I don't know why it got jerky. Oh my god, it's so good, man. It just knows! It just knows! Oh, I made it so advanced. Whee! Okay, what about moving platforms? Okay, so it unfortunately cannot seem to figure out surfs. It knows about moving platforms. Oh, but the moving platforms don't update in the... that's probably a good thing, honestly. The moving platforms don't update in the hit part simulation. That would be like giga lag if they did. Unless I make it so that it only updates nearby moving parts. But I would need some sort of advanced system to do that. But there you go, folks. How about that? It just knows. It knows where you're going to hit. And it's exact. I probably should make it not exact. Because exact is expensive. Basically, it's running the simulation into the future. But it's a crude version of the simulation, but it's 100 hertz. It's full width simulation. Interesting. Oh, God. That's so It's like cheating. It's literally just cheating. You just know where you're gonna hit next. Oh, it didn't know about that booster, did it? Oh yeah. And that booster right there. It just knows. So much time waiting for this. Was it worth it? It's worth it for me. Hit. Same as the old one. Hit command. Hit. Wow. Why did the camera get shaky? Wow. Gone. I gotta fix this camera, man. Why did the camera break? Wait, I'm getting 60 frames. Oh. What is he trying to do, man? The hit gauge just tanks my frame rate. I think it's doing nothing. Gouache. Oh, wait. I forgot to do absolute value. Alright, so, gauge not looking so hot. Okay, delta ratio. I just take the absolute value. Whatever. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, that's right. I changed the, that thing, but, like, that should... What else did I change? I should be using version control. God, I'm gonna have to freaking dive deep. Okay, so... Wow. Okay, so copy this should include the control zoom state. Me if I'm not mistaken. So, how do I do that? I have to go through the entire simulation director. Actually, it's just in the control state. Do I create a camera event for that? I think I do create a camera event for that. So I think that becomes... simulation... Wow. Camera... No, I have to detect it in the simulation. Aww. Nah, never mind. I'm just gonna like ignore it altogether. You stream tomorrow? I'm supposed to stream Monday to Thursday, but I illegally took yesterday off. Okay. I'm gonna publish this. Man, why is the camera broken? Man. Oh, maybe it's local player. Maybe it's because maybe it's something simple. Okay, what did I do? Oh yeah, gauge. Cool. Okay, so I mean, why is it dividing by 0 so much? So silly. Okay, I think. Oh no, it's because of the camera. Yeah. It's the camera. Okay, so view module. I'm checking. Does view player equal local player? Guess what? Local player is nil. Gotcha, bitch! Stupid error! You thought you could outsmart me? I outsmarted all the errors. Bug. What the hell is this? You stupid error. What the hell did I just press? Control B. Oops. View. Show console. Get out of here. Alright. We need to check if it's a local player. I can't remove that. Alright. That should fix the camera. Gotta say my programming prayers. Alright. Come on. Smooth. Smooth. I want to see it smooth. Show me it smooth. Please. Yes. Yeah. I fixed that bug in my head. All right. Hit gauge. Show. Oh, man. It's not smooth. No way. It's not smooth. No way, man. You're trolling. Bruh. Oh, it's because it's using last output. No, it's using last output. No. Oh, I realized why it's... Do I have to? I think I do. Wow. Gauge is still broken? You're trolling? No, it works quite well. It's showing the exact so before it was averaged over like 6 frames or something, whereas now it's showing every frame exactly as is. It's going to 0 for some. What do you mean it's going to 0 for some reason? That's you stopping moving your mouse. Oh, you can't see my gauge. There y'all go. I wanted to share the friendship. Okay, where's how do I needed to update the contacts list. It should be doing that on set position, shouldn't it? Let me read it. Set position. It's a hook in the physics script. Position changed. Contacts. Calculate hitbox. Generate base part mesh. Intersection distance. Handle physics event. So it right away handles physics events for collision start and collision end. And supposedly what that does is add the stuff to the Y box. Let's see. What. Okay, I'm gonna do a check. Hold on, where is? Oh, it's in here. Okay. Check. I'm gonna check the position against the last position. I think we can just do. I think it's better just to not do it. Not to show it at all, instead of it being inside you. Hit got removed from old MeHop. Nope. Should still be there. It's just as laggy. It's a Power PC feature. What I want to do is run the ticks at a more advanced frame rate. Wow, I gotta. I guess that's still basically the same. If I submit the physics ticks as timeline events, that would be interesting, actually. It kills frame rates. Yes, sir! You want to see where you're going to land? Oh, yeah. Just run the simulation into the future. Oh, obviously. So, yeah. That makes sense, right? You're running the simulation in a single frame at, like, whatever your frame rate is. Probably going to lag. Probably going to lag. CPU bad. Don't turn on the hit gauge. I want to make it run at like 1/10 the frame rate, but like it won't do surfing. I want it to do surfing because That'd be cool, right? You just like surf and it just knows where you're gonna go. That'd be cool as heck. Like, that'd be super cool. That'd be like totally cool, man. All right. Hopefully that fixes the like abhorrent lag you get when you just stand still. Cap it at 30 FPS? That's not how the physics works. Wait. It's alive! Alright, how's the FPS doing? Looks like we're not getting... Okay, hold on. How do you do this? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so... so, my nice and smooth game, you can see... It's... Oh my god, it's so nice, man. Okay, I gotta... Okay, real quick. Those are bad. I gotta make it run smooth. Like, the old one never ran smooth. It was never smooth. But I can do it. I believe. So instead of doing get input, get output, I gotta get the interpolated data and run off interpolated data. Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, so angles, is that actually, does it even matter what the camera is? Oh, I guess it kind of does. I was trying to, like, I set the other stuff because surfing. I was trying to make it go like, it'll keep going straight on the surf and then fall off. I can't believe this is like at all working. I can't believe how modular the timeline integration has made the physics system, because before you need like timelines and timers and stuff, but like with this you just need the timers. They don't have timelines attached to them, and if there's no timelines, who cares? It just doesn't output timeline events because there's no timelines, so they're not needed. Okay, so this is the output data. Where? Oh, I want it to be smooth. How do I...
I think what I do is I integrate with the simulation interpolation, and I complete the tick.
I don't want to do that. It sucks. No. Oh my god, I get SpongeBob. Wait, what if I do, well, no, that's just the interpolated data. It'll, like, vibrate as you get closer. What if I... Oh my god, I can make it like a tick behind. And it just like interpolates between the final positions. No! That's so silly. Hit has always been a hit or miss feature where it may not destroy your computer. What was I trying to do? I was trying to make it so that it looked smooth. I gotta do that. Okay, so instead of input and output, wow. Okay, so that's basically needed. I do PVA. Hey, 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 PVA. Oh, view camera at angles. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we can do... Oh, we already have P and V. I can just replace this temporarily. And then... It must be smooth! Yes. Yes. Smooth. Where? Okay. Does the view camera has the current time, right? So I can just do view camera.time. And then what? You could do view camera dot angles. Hello. Angles. Okay, so we go like all time. Oi, all time. Don't do all time. We just do time. Do it? That's okay. Yeah, no. Time. And then is view camera.time. Yes, yes, quite good, yes. Okay, so it should be smooth now. It'll be bad though, because it's not on tick. So it's like faking smooth, but it is smooth. It will be smooth. It's pretending. Hit. No! It doesn't work. Wait, what? What did I do? Oh, I know what I did. Oh, okay. Do it. Okay, so this is the last input, which is actually needed for surfing. But surfing doesn't seem to work. So, what? Supercomputer to my wish list so I can play B-Hop with cheats. Do it. Where is it? Oh, line 393. Index nil time. Okay, there's not a local reference to the view camera. Okay, so view camera is just literally the view camera. So I can just like go like, haha, it's the view camera. Haha. Haha, it's the view camera. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so up in here, instead of view.camera, I can do view camera. View.camera. Okay. I mean, that's it. Okay. Yeah. Smooth. I want to see the smooth motion of the hit gauge. I was never able to get it. Please. Oh, it's like a little bit not smooth. No way, dude. No, man. No. Wait. Can you see it wiggle as you approach? I don't think you can. It's not smooth. I don't see it just smoothly moving in front of me. I'm devastated. I'm actually devastated. Wait. I'm devastated. Ow! Minor lag spike. Not a problem. Just minor issue. Little tiny problem. Little baby issue. I'm devastated. I'm devastated. It's not smooth. I'm throwing it away. The whole code has to go. Alright, if I like aim off the edge, look at this. Control Shift F6. If I aim off the edge, it goes, oh! Every time it goes off the edge, it goes, oh! Has to run like 100 ticks. I'm devastated. Ah! Okay, well, it's not smooth, and I'm disturbed. Wait a minute. I think I know why. Okay, so yeah, it would integrate well with the partial step. So if I like, it's so static. Love it so much. Wait. Oh, I see. I'm like, what is it? Now I have to make the other compute heavy feature that runs like another simulation. You can't see it. You can't see it. Where'd it go? Oh, wait a sec. Uh-oh. Alright, I wanted it to be able to like go off edges, but it doesn't. It just contacts the that's probably what's going on with the physics system too. If I fix this, it would probably fix the physics, which is kind of neat. It's like a debug. Alright, I'm about to tell Trey. Alright, I'm going to switch it back to the non-interpolated because it was better. But worse at the same time. Oh. Yes. Allow me to just run the simulation for 200 extra ticks. Okay, so we're back to the W stubby one, but like at least it's like on text. The dummy, stupid. Whoa, it's so dumb. I hate it. All right, now you go into task fast, and you go. Oh no. Wait a second. What's going on here? Why does it do that? Is that because of the walking? It must be because of the walking. And then you go like time scale 0.5. You see exactly where you're gonna hit. Oh my god, this is cheating. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. No. It's still hard, even with cheats. Let's go, baby. All right, where is it? You're trolling? Okay, where are we looking? Too far. Got it. Yo. Oh, pro gaming. I saw the hit on it and I was like, oh, I can land there. It's literally cheating. I'm actually just cheating. All right, you can just see it all the way over there. You just know exactly where you're gonna hit. Oh. Oh my god, it's literally. Right. There it is. You can basically imagine what happens next when you can see where you land. Oh my god, making jump. Can you imagine tassing? Oh my god, bro. This is like, this is cheating. It's just cheating. It's plain and simple. This is cheating. Oh my god, you just know. You just know where you, oh, I thought I could gain some speed there. Obviously, people want the head gauge back. Oh my god, this is cheating. Literally just plain and simple cheating. Oh my god. I should have seen the hitbox and just known where it would land. Oh. Is cheating. I'm cheating. Alright, watch this, watch this. Time scale 0.01. So if I move, I have to move like really slow. And you can see like it jumps when I... So supposedly this is like quite optimal speed gain. I should just make it show like 2 needles or have 2 modes or something to show like your current angle. So you can see the hit mark gauge updating with each tick. And just not moving whatsoever otherwise. So if I made a sub-step simulation, the hit mark gauge would work perfectly with that. Oh my god, I can't even... I just want it so bad. I want it. I literally just want it. I want it, 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 I want it. It's double as expensive to run that simulation. But it's smooth. It's smooth. Uh-oh. I was cutting my speed. Alright, you can't even hear it. Okay, you can. Alright, time scale 0.1. Uh-oh. Oh my god. It's so much cheating. Alright, well that means that it can check to see if the frame is the same because it's computing the simulation takes every single frame. I could limit it to like 50, but like keep running the simulation. But then the higher your frame rate is, it's more spread out. Oh. I don't know. I don't know. So it's, yeah. It only needs to run when the output is new. All right. Hit simulation dot last output equals O. And O does not equal last output. Amazing. Honestly, this would just be like a local variable, eh? Last output. All right. Okay. There we go. So now it'll only recalculate if it's a new frame, or it's a new output frame. Oh my god. That is concerning. What is it doing? Is it the walk steps? Cringe. Faster, faster. Is timescale a thing you can use in runs, or is it for practice and for fun? You can use it in runs if I allow you to use it in runs. But obviously it's not going to be for world records and stuff and like auto. Literally just plain cheating. It's actually just cheating. Where's the hit? Oh, it's over there. Oh my god. I'm gonna land on the booster. I'm about to land right there. So cool. All right, I'm gonna make it less laggy in slow motion, I guess. Alright, did I shut him down? Looks like it's gone anyways. Anyway, so now if I go... What was that lag? If I go hit, and then I run it slow. I made it up! Can't get it in between. Gauge. Oh my god, it's so responsive. Mental calculations. Don't know if I can hit it. Well, now I do, eh? I can't hit it. All I have to do is go this way. I love how I was in my left ear. Uh-oh, gotta turn faster. Oh man, I missed it. Milliseconds. Alright, so it's not... The end zone is not showing up. And neither are surf feeder fees. Wait a second. Am I wrong? I'm wrong. That means it's accurate. Look. It immediately changes. There's no dead zone. I have been lying to people for years. Is it fast enough for higher timescales? What do you mean, it? The... What do you mean, like the, what, 2 times timescale? It's immediate. It runs in a single frame. Oh my god. Oh. Damn. Alright, I just gotta switch to fast mode, you know? Gain is too low. Huh. Come on. Where is it? Oh, I'm just going over. I simply lost speed. That should mean that it's... less than 2 seconds. Beautiful. It just knows. It should actually be more efficient on higher timescales because it only calculates it when you have a frame. It only calculates on like a render frame. So it doesn't actually calculate for every single tick unless your frame rate is higher than your tick rate, in which case it does calculate for every single tick. So it calculates at maximum once per frame. Which, or I guess the minimum of your FPS and tick rate, I guess. I'm confused now. Okay, yeah, it just... I was really looking forward to this. The simulation code being modular, it's literally running another simulation. It's like, oh yeah, let's just run another simulation. Great idea. Just run another simulation. That's a great idea. Why do you know I think of that? Because I didn't have modular code. Ooh. Wee woo, wee woo, wee. Okay, what about... Oh, no, you can't do other... Right. There's no other hitboxes, Sedge. What if I do time scale 1.65? It's smooth! It's smooth! This is all what I've always wanted! It's smooth! 165 ticks per second. Woo! 165 ticks per second. It's exactly the same as my frame rate! Yeah! Woo! This is what I've always wanted! I just want to see it smooth. Yes, sir. So what it should be showing here is like the wall you're about to hit. Like you can see it sometimes like tries, but it's calculating the thing you're standing on really often, which it probably shouldn't B. Wait, what if I go like this? Oh. Huh. Oh my. It's calculating tick times. It's like, so that's what it looks like to run 200 ticks per tick. Or wait, time scale 1. So you can see it should be exactly 2 seconds away when it appears. So clearly I don't want to run that many ticks. Maybe if I get rid of MD. As in Trey gets rid of MD. Oh my god. When it stops lagging. So MD makes the simulation 4 times slower. But you're not allowed to slide off of anything. If you slide off anything, simulation dies. Alright, I can actually show that. I can go physics. Position changed. I can make it so that it only does the position changed when it teleports. Physics, set position, not teleport. Ow. What did I have before? Like, oh yeah, position advanced. Babe. Wait, what? Oh no. Oh, I see. So if it wasn't a teleport, then it calculates the end of the collision. Otherwise, it just resets the contacts if you've teleported. Smart. Smart. This might actually be causing problems. physics change special. All right, let's see what happens. It should die painfully. We'll see. So if I try walking off of the edge or something, it should just go like. Meh. What's going on? Is this normal gravity? Well, have we been on like weirdo gravity? Alright, so this should be like significantly faster. And if I go like hit, it's not that much faster. The frame rate going up and down. Wait. It didn't die? Why didn't it die? What kind of game are you creating? A jumping game where you jump around. Did I do that logic correctly? Not teleport, meaning it was a teleport, then I activate it. So what the hell is it doing now? Did I introduce some sort of physics that made it able to... Wait. I see, it's just that. Okay. Anyway, okay, so... I'll show you a map, I guess. What's this map? Nah. What about surf? Let's try surf. Okay. Oh, did it reset the head gauge? No, it didn't. Okay. Oh. It's so laggy. Hit gauge is so laggy. But it is running like 200 ticks. So what I want to do is make it only run like 20 ticks. But make them like really fat ticks. No! I could see that I wouldn't make it. Alright, let's go smooth. Get rid of that unsmooth thing. I didn't flick enough. What? So it should work on bots and like everything all the time. It's just always work. And then I can add SSJ. Why did I just do that as well? And it should just work. Okay, around. And that's the map finish. Yes, sir. Boom, boom, boom. Was that a cool map? I don't remember. Terrell. Let's go to that map. Oh yeah. It's that one. Oh wow. Time to enable the hit gauge. Just randomly lags. Hell yeah, buddy. Brother. You know I love that random lag while I'm playing this game. It's just awesome. I knew I was gonna make it. Ooh. Oof. Oh my god. It's literally just cheating. Actually cheating. I'm literally cheating. This is cheating. Oh my god, dude. You can just make split-second decisions based on the stupid little hit marker. Yep. We couldn't make that. Oh! Wait, I have to go up again? What? How far is that? Yeah. Bruh. Oh, I see. That's... Messed me up. No way, man. Oh, made it. I can't believe I did that. Nope, not gonna make that. Wait, what? There's no trigger! I've never hit this trigger. Wow. There's not an error, is it? Wait. I've never been stuck here before. Is that passable? It is. How I'm stuck. Stuck. Wow. Well, surfing doesn't work, so I guess I'll just spread out the ticks. Wow. What happens if I F? Nothing. Error? Nice. Practice. Fly. Oh my god. It still works in fly mode. That's so funny. Oh my, that's cheating! Oh my god. Oh! It's still just actually cheating. You still know, you just know exactly where you're gonna land. It's so much cheating! Oh! Ha. Nah. Trustable. It's so trustable because it's literally just running the exact physics. So you can just perfectly trust it. And it just works. Works every time, man. Wow, man. I'm running the physics, man. What? There's a roof? Wow. That's cool stuff, man. Let me try a bigger tick. Yeah, I should just do that. Bigger ticks, man. I'm gonna need you to do bigger ticks. All right. Yeah. Bigger ticks, less accuracy, but it'll probably still be fine. But also no lag. I wonder if you can see it like warbling. Yeah, so no lag. And where was that? Was that here? Yes, it was. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's the sliding change. Yeah, so that's what I thought was gonna happen. Actually, no, what I thought was gonna happen was it wouldn't be able to calculate that you went off the edge. Okay, so it just never... Ooh. Yeah, you can see it warbling a little bit. There's I can see it. Clearly, it's still pretty good. So if I go in time scale 0.1, You can see it goes back and forth a little bit. So that's the 10 times bigger ticks. That's what it's doing. Yeah. So this is linear collision solving. But if it was parabolic collision solving, well, that would be a different story. It would just work every time, and I could just like do the full distance. And it would be slower. But faster at the same time. There it is. Major warbling. Whoa, the hang time was so long. Alright, so I introduced a bug, but it didn't fix the lag. So I'm going to put it back in. Put the... Oh. Oh, actually... Oh, that's why, actually. I only did half of the, I see. I only did half of it. So that's why the sliding off was working, is because it was still doing half of MD. Cool. Well, that works. Row. Neat. So if I just made the tick rate 10 times higher, it would still just work. Imagine fast mode at 1,000 tick. XD. All right. Surfing doesn't work, so I can actually go and disable the like surfing controls. Set angles. I don't know. I have a big question for you. Don't ask to ask.com. Wow. What are you making? I was making the hit gauge. I kind of have made it now. It's done. Check it out. It tells you exactly where you're going to land. Well, not exactly anymore. It tells you very close to where you're going to land. So if I jump like this, it tells me that I'm going to hit the... So like you can see, I know that I'm not going to make it up. But then if I jump here, I can see that I'm going to make it up. It's extremely complicated. There's like multiple. There's probably like 5 or 10,000 lines of code supporting this, but I only wrote about like, I don't know, like 20 lines of code to put it in. So modular for the win. And it used to lag, but now it doesn't because I made the tick size longer. So look at this, look at this. If I go time scale 0.1 and I jump here and then I zoom in on the landing position, you'll see it warbling back and forth. You see that? It's that's because the ticks are not exactly the same as the other ticks, and the collision detection is linearly interpolated. It also doesn't activate boosters and stuff, which I could make it do. I could make it literally just run the game, which I might. You know what? Why don't I just do that? Just make it like... Oh my... No! Oh, I went over top. 3. Nah, I can't hit that. What was I saying? Make it so it does what? So the update rate is so slow because that's how fast the ticks are going in this time-scaled movement. So it's 100 ticks per second of run time, and you can see the timer ticking by in the bottom left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the same rate as it's updating on screen. Actually, let's go time scale 0.6. And then it'll update at exactly 60 frames per second. And the sounds will sound really cool. You probably will see it as perfectly smooth on your screen. But on my screen, it is not perfectly smooth. So there is some tricks that I have in mind to make it perfectly smooth in all cases, but lots of work. All right, I'm gonna do gauge as well. Looks smooth. That's what I thought, because it's updating at 60 frames per second because the time scale is 0.6 and the tick rate is 100. So it's 100 ticks per run second, but 0.6 run seconds per real-time second. So I've tricked it into running at 60 ticks per second. Ah. Come on. Cool stuff. I should probably put the that'd be like ludicrously cool, actually. I think I might put the original collision function back in. Huh. You don't even know what's gonna happen. I just said put the original collision function back in. Yes, that would be cool. What would happen would be it would know that those are boosters, and so instead of just like ignoring that the booster exists, it would simulate the booster. And it would tell you where you land after you go through the booster. Because it's literally just an advanced simulation that's showing you where you're going to be in 2 seconds or less. What you will hit first within 2 seconds. But the problem is, I don't know how to attach both every time it recreates the physics. Well, actually, no, I think No, I should be able to do it. I should be able to do it. Okay, I'm going to do it. I should be able to do it. It can be done! Okay, so instead of having... Wait. Should be fine. So yeah, if it is a physics part, then it stops the simulation. But that's only... That doesn't apply to zones and stuff. I kind of want to make it like work with zones. Is physics part. Is physics... What do you... Name equals nil. Do I just do it? Just analyze the part? Wow. Yeah. Do what? I guess I could literally just do this and be like, wow, and then just check if it's a zone. I don't know. But then I have to do like special things with the zone or stuff. So like zones. I should probably show you that you're going to hit the zone, because like that's an important part of the game. I'm putting too much effort into this. Hold on. Did triggers activate? Hold on. Trigger runtime. Okay, so in the game mechanics, collision start, runtime. So category is runtime. Okay, so what categories are there? What are we looking at? No, not equipment categories. So we got zone and runtime. Object recognition. Okay, so map info. Oh no, that's a different one. Okay, where's game mechanics? Wait, what? Oh, I see. Okay, so wait. Runtime. Okay, I see. Def object. All right, so actually I have to search for this. Zone, runtime, map info, and dynamic parts. But that is the map info object recognition and not the simulation object recognition. I would like that to be faster. I should probably cache it and check the name. Bye? Bye. Yes, cache it, yes. I don't know. Okay. Let's say I use it. I'm like, is physics part, blah, 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 whatever. I'm looking at the wrong script. Do it. Okay, so category. Basically, it's just where's the okay collision start. It's called non-physics parts, which is water accelerator. You don't care if you touch these things. Okay, so basically, I only care about these. I don't care about the object recognition. All of the can collide. I see. Okay, so I don't care about the rest. I can just use this definition. Do it. Okay, so that I can put this instead of false. So I've just reversed this and it's true. Is physics part. So I just go like, if not this, if part.can collide and not non-physics parts, part.name, then and the buddy. But also, instead of redefining it, we just make a new special function here. Okay, and then we can put this above. Hit simulation.physics dot collision start collision start add collision start, and then instead of redefining the game mechanics ones, it just runs it. It runs it normally. collision end, collision start. Wah. And then I don't need them here. And it's like normal. And then now it will actually take into account the booster, which is funny, funny, funny. That's funny. Oh my god, that's so funny. Set spectating. Index nil with add. Okay, I may have do it. Set map info. What are you doing? The Roblox. Physics dot handlers dot collision start. Sure, whatever you say. Dot handlers dot collision start. Okay. So instead of replacing the functions, now I have augmented the callbacks that call the functions with another callback that ends the simulation. Yes, sir. So now I go hit, and it doesn't work. Index nil with part. You're trolling. Gauge is 173. You're trolling. This is how the system works, okay? You're trolling. That is literally how it works. Huh? Oh, it's 173. Ah. That's a nil value. Okay, non-physics parts is the nil value. Okay. Non-physics parts. Boo. Do I split the function? I don't know. Is physics part. Is physics part. Right. So it's the triggers are not allowed to be a physics part, otherwise you'd be able to jump on the triggers. Same with the zones. Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. So I need to have this list. I don't know. I guess I'll just do this. Oops. Okay, it just deleted itself. Do I just go into game mechanics? I guess I do. Ah! Okay. Screw it. Oh, actually that doesn't work. I feel like I shouldn't do this. What are you doing, man? I feel like I should do like phys.GameMechanics is touchable. Part. Something like that. And then it's kind of bad, but because it adds deep. Okay, so now I have this handy dandy is touchable function. So handy. No, I can't put it there. I gotta go with the physics is touchable. And then in the gauges, I'll just do this. There we go. And now, hit. And now when I go through when I am about to go through a booster, it'll take into account everything. Also wormholes. Hold on. Alright, so if I go like this, it showed you that? Hold on. Oh, did I touch the wormhole out part? Oh, dang. Why can't I touch wormhole out? Is it can collide false? I really wanted it to like go like this, and then it showed where I was about to land through the wormhole. Just because it's fun. I am having a great deal of fun with this modular code. Suck. Wah. Alright, so now I want to go over here. Doesn't lag anymore. Crazy. Oh, it actually does lag a little bit. 20 ticks, really? Oh. Oh dear. So now it knows I'm in the zone. It actually has the accelerators and everything enabled. That's cheating. I'm literally cheating. I love how you could see it before I hit the booster. Cheating. This is cheating. Now, why does it look like that? I think what's going on here is it's going like this, and it's assuming the part doesn't move, and I just... Yeah, I think that's what's happening here. Is it's assuming the part doesn't move. Which, in the simulation, it doesn't. But it does have velocity, so I don't know why it doesn't... Actually, does it have velocity? I'm polling the dynamic instance. I don't know. This is beautiful. It even knows where you're about to go even when you hit a booster. Or when you hit a booster. Doesn't change as you go through the booster. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. But it can't go through the wormhole because it keeps hitting the wormhole out. Why is the wormhole out not treated as a physics part by... Because his name equals nil? But... Okay. All right. What if I do this? I think that might fix it. No, it didn't work again, man. Why didn't it work? It shouldn't be hitting that. Why? Why? Bonk. Blap, 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 blap. Why doesn't it work? Doesn't go through, man. It doesn't go through. Does it even have the wormhole mechanics? Well, it does have the wormhole mechanics. I don't know why it doesn't go through the wormhole. It knows it's going to arrive there, but then it immediately collides with something. It's the wormhole. It collides with the wormhole out, but that doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Why would it... What? Did I publish my code changes? Like, hello? How long have I been streaming for? Probably like 10 hours now. Twitch says... I have no idea. $9 oh dear. 12 hours stream? Wait, 6 hours. Oh, 9 hours stream, okay. It's like, that doesn't feel like 12 hours. Okay, question. Does it work? I don't know. We'll have to test the other wormhole. No. It still latches onto the back of the wormhole for some stupid reason. It should not be showing up as a touchable part. Should not. Is it can collide? True. This shouldn't matter. Oh, it's because the name isn't wormhole out. Okay, that's why. Okay, so Why? How, how does the physics? Uh, Wormhole. Okay, no, it's not there. Wormhole out is. But that's map info. Shouldn't. Huh? You're not telling me. Do I have a special code somewhere? Nope. What? All right. I want to know if some maps with wormholes use Cancalive false wormholes, which should behave the same as Cancalive true wormholes. There it is. No! Actually, I would have made that. Wait. Is that it? That's it right there, right? So I didn't see it, so it's probably Cancalive false. I don't know. No, it's up ahead. I don't know. I actually don't know. We'll see if I see it. Oh my god, it's like glitching out. The lag. 20 ticks is enough to lag. That's nuts. Alright, this should be it right here. Uh-oh. So, oh! I couldn't tell. Must be can't collect false, I guess. Da. Oh, well. Now what? How do I make wormholes not work? Or how do I, does it even matter? Like, yeah, but like, oh. Actually, wouldn't that be detrimental? If it knew how wormholes work? That's why. I see. Okay. I see. Okay. Well, I mean, it's kind of cool that boosters work, but it's like it never happens in the game. There's no boosters that you just go through. There's like a couple in some surf maps, but like you're on a surf when you go through the booster. You don't just go through a booster. So it's a little bit cool, but at the same time, it's also, it might be better if I just take it back out. Or I could do caching. That would probably help. How do I tell this name changes? Oh, that's a problem. Oh. Row. Oh, actually, I'm not doing that, am I? Oh no, I am because of it starts still. Ugh. God damn. God damn it. I want to make a table, man. I guess I could like have 2 tables. That would work. Name cache. I could do like name cache. I could just do like name cache dot analyze, and then I just use it. What a jerk. Duet. Yeah. Name cache. But like, what if the functions have different values at different times? Well, you never know how it's gonna work. Well, they don't. So, yeah, doesn't matter. Wow. Okay. Implement name cache for speed. Okay, well, I think that is good enough for